Paint manufacturing is more than just mixing colors. It's a delicate balance of managing materials, ensuring quality, and meeting demand efficiently. Companies face constant challenges that can disrupt operations if not properly managed. From volatile raw materials prices to complex production schedules, maintaining consistent quality and complying with the regulations. These are just some of the hurdles paint companies must overcome. Fluctuating raw material costs and improper inventory management can lead to production delays or wasted stock. CUSCEN ERP offers real-time inventory tracking, optimized material usage, and automated reordering, ensuring production keeps running smoothly. And managing different paint formulas and adjusting schedules to meet fluctuating demand can be tricky. With CUSCEN's production scheduling tools, you can seamlessly adjust schedules in real time, reduce downtime, and ensure that each batch is produced efficiently. Quality is critical in paint industry, and even minor inconsistencies can lead to customer dissatisfaction. CUSCEN ERP automates quality checks, track defects, and ensures compliance with industry standards to maintain product consistency and trust. Strict environmental regulations make compliance difficult for paint manufacturers. CUSCEN ERP simplifies this process by automatically tracking safety standards and generating audit-ready reports, keeping your company compliant with regulations. With rising material prices and production inefficiencies, managing costs is a constant challenge. CUSCEN ERP provides real-time cost tracking, margin optimization, and waste reduction tools to ensure profitability. CUSCEN ERP is a comprehensive solution for paint companies to streamline operations, maintain quality, and maximizing profitability. Contact us today to learn how we can transform your business.